Dual zone climate control allows the driver and passenger to set different temperatures. This flexible feature is standard in the V-Cross and DL40. Have you set your own side to an ambient temperature? Now it's time to wake up your invisible sleepy passenger. Firstly, use the left arrow buttons to reduce the passenger temperature to 16 degrees centigrade. Next, increase the fan speed to max. Finally, direct the airflow to face. Dual control can be activated by the driver pressing dual or by the passenger using their own controls. Now reset the controls by pressing dual and reducing the fan to a lower speed.